everyone loved their costumes, and Xaymaca International is already on the way. Let's check out their costume launch.
All the fans of soca, let me see you put your hands in the air right now and push them up and up and up, up and up, up and up. When you see we hands gone up and up, up and up, up and up. Everybody hands gone up and up, up and up, up and up. When you see we hands gone up and up, up and up, up and up. The press go fighting for this, setting this one all the way.
Jamaica has 15 sections for 2020.
The band is known to be very daring. Describe the look and feel of the costumes this year.
Well, we went with a playlist theme, which means that we're connecting to music. You know, every genre is different, so every costume had to be very, very unique. But we knew our audience would connect to music because everybody connects to music, and they really have, and they love it.
What do you think about the turnout for the event tonight? Are we ready for Carnival 2020?
To be honest with you, I was backstage. I could only hear the crowd reaction, but it sounded like the place was ram. It sounded like it was full, and I'm glad everybody enjoyed the show.
So what can Jamaica revelers expect this year?
Well, if I gave out the secrets, then there would be none for the road, right? But if it ain't broke, don't fix it. We are known for our customer experience. We're known for our road experience. We're known for our pre-road experience. We're known for seamless carnival experiences, and we're going to stick to exactly that. That's our formula. It works. People love it, and we'll see you on the road in 2020.
What's your favorite costume tonight?
Wow, I can't say that. I can't say that. I have all of them are my favorites.
Everybody coming in, hey, we ready to go, yeah. We gon' make them jump, we gon' make them turn up, we gon' make them whine, we gon' make them free up. It's the place back.
I think I'll be jumping with Xaymaca International next carnival season. Those costumes were awesome! Whew, need to cool down. Here's another health benefit of drinking water.
These benefits of drinking water are brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water. Being attentive to the amount of water you drink each day is important for optimal health. Most people drink when they're thirsty, which helps regulate daily water intake. According to the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering and Medicine, general water intake from beverages and foods that meet most people's needs are about 15.5 cups of water each day for men, about 11.5 cups of water daily for women. People get about 20% of their daily water intake from food. The rest is dependent on drinking water and water-based beverages. So ideally, men would consume about 100 ounces of water from beverages and women about 73 ounces from beverages. You'll have to increase your water intake if you're exercising or living in a hotter region to avoid dehydration. Other ways to assess hydration include your thirst and the color of your urine. Feeling thirsty indicates your body is not receiving adequate hydration. Urine that is dark or colored indicates dehydration. Pale or non-colored urine typically indicates proper hydration. These benefits of drinking water were brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water.
No letting go, no holding back. After the break, Wayne Wonder, the Caribbean video, and the Magnum Top 10. Don't move, guys. Stay freeze.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit